What's the next one?
The next one that kind of ties in, because Pax Judaica is happening in Syria. Like the removal of Assad helps Greater Israel more than anything, right or wrong? Like, are we on the same page about that?
There is a big difference between Syria and Libya. Libya continues to be in chaos up to now. Fighting and bloodshed in Libya up to now. But as I said, there was a transfer of power in Syria that was peaceful. Peaceful transfer of power because the Syrian army gave up their weapons, stopped fighting. When they knew the government, the president has left.
Yeah.
The president has left. So they gave up fighting. So the ISIS, the Dajjal's warriors, they didn't have to slaughter hundreds and thousands of people
Only tens.
in order to take control of Syria and establish a new government. So it was, largely speaking, a peaceful transfer of power, different from Libya.
Yeah.
Number two, that the Russians were able to manage the transfer of power with such maturity and such wisdom that the Western world, which was backing these warriors, are now biting their fingers in frustration.
Yes.
Because the Rouhani of 2 years ago is not the Rouhani today. The Rouhani today is recognizing that what is happening in Gaza, what is happening in Israel, is something that is dangerous for them. Okay? So while they were Israel's puppy dogs 2 years ago, they're no longer Israel's puppy dogs.
So you think there's a chance of redemption, let's say, for some of these factions?
I am not in a position to determine whether there's any...
I'm saying political, not spiritual redemption.
I am not in a position to determine whether there's any sincere change in heart. I can't say.
Yeah.
But they are clearly changing their position, where formerly they were fighting Russia for 10 years.
Yeah.
They are no longer doing that. They're now talking to Russia. And they're looking to Russia for a window on which to get out of the embrace of NATO. So this is to Russia's credit that they have conducted diplomacy there with great maturity and wisdom. So I cannot connect a changing government in Syria with Pax Judaica.
No.